Okay, this is the part 2. Still the same day because I'm just asking someone if they can help me because to give back my dragon. I have one guy here. He was my cousin, but he betrayed me already. His name is Alex. I will show you his account though. It's the same server. Oh yeah. Then it was on my birthday. He gave me the dragonfly. Then after that, one day after my birthday, yeah, he said he needs to borrow it. It was before the training update, by the way. Then one day after my birthday, he borrowed it. Then he gave it back. Like, someone please help me. You're almost there. Just please help me. Even if I will, help me please. Bring my stuff back and I'm gonna show you that account thing. Yeah. My phone's kinda cool, but you never saw it. Yeah. I mean, that's why I have depression right now. Just please, someone help me. Just please, someone scam this guy. Or if I will, just please help me. So this is his username, and this is him. I hate that guy. He was my cousin. Then by the way, he has Robux. He's the one who scammed me. Then I lost my inverted dragonfly. It was so hard to forget. And one thing, I hope everyone report this guy because I was on his server. He fighted me. It was this guy. I report him so much because he told me so bad things. So block this guy.